What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding dividing square roots. The first example is square root of 50s cubed divided by square root of 128s. So root 50 is root 25 times root 2 root s3 divided by 128 is 64 times root 2 times root s. Root 2 and root 2 cancel out. Root 25 is 5. Root 64 is 8. Root s cubed divided by root s is going to be root s squared, which is going to be just s. So we have 5s divided by 8. Next example is root 75 q to the power of 5 divided by square root of 108 q. Answer is 75 is 25 times 3 q5. 108 is 36 times 3 q. Root 3 and root 3 cancel out. Root 25 is 5. Root 36 is 6. Q to the power of 5 divided by q is going to be q to the power of 4. So square root of q to the power of 4 is q squared. 5q squared divided by 6. Next example is square root of 147 times a b to the power of 8 divided by square root of 3a cubed b to the power of 4. Answer is 147 is 21 times 7 or 3 times 49. This one is better, 3 times 49. So I have square root of 3, square root of 49, square root of a b to the power of 8. And here we have square root of 3, square root of a cubed b to the power of 4. Root 3 and root 3 cancel out. And root 49 is 7. And then we have root a divided by a cubed is going to be a to the power of negative 2. B to the power of 8 divided by b to the power of 4 is going to be b to the power of 4. The answer will be 7. We don't have square roots. It's going to be a to the power of negative 1, b to the power of 2. Or we can write it 7b squared divided by a. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.